guys, today we're actually going to switch it up a little bit, and I'm actually gonna be Tiffany's model. So Tiffany is actually one of our Lost Artistry Lash ambassadors here in Victoria, BC. She actually works out of her home at Gold Beauty Studio. So if you don't follow her, definitely check her out. But Tiffany's gonna walk through what works well for my eye shape, and she's gonna do a full set of a mix of premade fans in wide stem fans, long stem fans, and closed fans as well. And she's gonna walk you through exactly why she's doing this to create my textured volume set. So I'll let Tiffany take it from here.
Hey guys, so I've worked on Caitlin's lashes many times before. We trade services, and today we are doing a textured set. We're gonna talk a little bit about how her eyes are downturned and how we can fix this and lift those eyes up. So before I get into my mapping, I just want to talk about Caitlin's lashes. Although they may look very strong, they are sometimes really fine, and we're gonna work with 3D and 4D lashes. In 0.07 for my wide stem and my long stem fans. And for my closed fans, I'm going to be working with 0.03 millimeter. As you can see here, I've already planned my mapping out. For our curl, we are going to be using C's from the inner corner to the inner pupil. And from here on out, we're going to be using CC. My reason for doing this is because these lashes here are turned upwards. So let's quickly chat about her eye shape. As you can see here, her eyes are downturned, and we want to lift her lashes. So the reason I'm using CC curl is just to lift these lashes on the outer corner here. Her lashes are already lifted enough, so we're not going to use a dramatic curl like a D curl. CC would be perfect. We're just going to work with a C curl on the inner corner here. She already has a nice natural lift, and we don't need to lift that anymore. These numbers here are my textures that I'm going to be adding. I'm going to be using 0.03 handmade fans. I'm not going to use too thick of closed fans because I'm working with a 4D, 3D set. So I want this to blend well with my fans. We are mixing wide stem fans and long stem fans for this set because I wanted more texture, and the long stem fans are going to give me a darker look, and my wide stem fans are gonna give me more texture or a fluffier look. So my inner and outer corners, I'm gonna be working with 3D lashes because these are generally our most brittle lashes, and I don't wanna cause any damage there. So let's get lashing.